Jamaica now has 44 cases of the COVID-19 coronavirus in Jamaica and 3 related deaths. Before you go any further, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely turn on your post notification bell so you can get an update each time we upload. Let's jump into the story. Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton this afternoon reported that Jamaica has recorded an additional 6 cases of the coronavirus. The last time I reported to you guys, we were at 38 cases. We have 6 additional cases, bringing us to 44. Tufton says all the 6 are related to the case of the 79-year-old man from Cornpeace Settlement in Clarendon who became Jamaica's first COVID-19 related death. The community is now under quarantine. Of the 6 new cases, 2 are in Portland Cottage, 3 in Longsville, and 1 in Hayes Clarendon. The new positive results have pushed to 44 the total number of confirmed cases of coronavirus in Jamaica. Meanwhile, Tufton disclosed an additional person died. So the cases are now 3 persons, male from Westmoreland. He said that the man had underlying issues and developed renal failure. Now, I'm just going to tell you the definition for renal failure. This is when the kidney does not work as it should. The term kidney failure covers a lot of problems. These problems can result from your kidney does not have enough blood to filter. Your kidney is hurt by a disease like the COVID-19 virus. The man had a travel history from the United Kingdom. In the meantime, Tufton says medical officials are monitoring 69 houses. 50 of them are in the Cornpeace district in Clarendon and the other in Portland Cottage, Longsville, and Hayes Clarendon, and may have to take further actions. Now guys, from a couple of weeks ago, Honorable Andrew Holness indicated that we should prepare ourselves for rapid community spread, right? Something that I didn't want to see. The jump today was 6 persons. So guys, it just tells us that we have to be more vigilant and more careful. And also, if we know anybody that came in over the period of time, the government is looking for 5,100 persons that need to report to them so that they can maybe test them or put them under quarantine to protect the larger population. Please remember to sanitize. Please remember to keep update with the news. And this is the Sauna Room. Please remember to subscribe for sure. This is the Sauna Room where we keep you updated with everything Jamaica and Jamaicans.